Hello, this is Jason, and I just stopped into the IKEA Cafeteria. Cool spot to relax, have a iced latte, which was less than $1. I think it was 29 baht, which is, let me get exact prices. And if you have like an IKEA membership, it's even cheaper, which I don't. You could probably get one for free. Well, let's see. 29 baht is 85 cents. So you get a pretty good sized iced latte for 85 cents. Come sitting here and they got, let me give you a little look around. Pretty big sized cafeteria. I might come here to eat someday too. They have a pretty good prices on food. And the view, look at these floor to ceiling windows all the way down. Looks out over Benchasiri Park. There's the BTS SkyTrain there. I already did a little walk around this park to show you. It's pretty small, but nice little spot to get under some shade of some trees and cool off. Relax. Or just step into one of the many malls. Or the IKEA. This IKEA is at the 3rd floor of the EMPSHERE. And I walked around. The furniture is all pretty reasonably priced. There was a mattress topper I might order. It's only $15, but they don't have it here, so they'd have to order it in. It could take a few days. Might order one. But yeah, I've just been simulating how I'd be living here if I actually retired and lived here, and it's actually not a bad life. I don't know if I would do it exactly the same way, but like every day right now, I'm just going out and walking around, which I'm sure I'd get out and walk around. I get a massage just about every day, and you can get a massage for the cheapest that I've seen. A Thai massage is $9, so you could afford to have like a $9 massage every day. And that's for an hour. You could probably find a half hour for $5. The Thai massages are pretty intense. They're not really relaxing, but I would say they're good for you. They definitely can loosen up your muscles, tenderize them. Let's see. And also I've been going, eat, which eating is cheap here. Unless you're going to, expensive Western style restaurants. I did have a Western style breakfast that was, $9. And then that was at a breakfast story. And then I had an orange juice and I had a cappuccino, which the cappuccino just looked so pretty that I wanted to try it. But it was pretty pricey. I don't know. It's probably $4 or $5. So that ended up being like $17, $18 for breakfast, which is $9. Orange juice must have been three maybe. I don't know. I didn't really get the individual prices, but that's all I had was the breakfast, cappuccino, and orange juice. And it was about $16, I think, 16, 17. Well, didn't mean to spill my ice all over. And I think today I'm going to go up to this place called True Digital Park. which is kind of like a remote workplace. And there's also a bunch of food in there. They got condos that are attached to it. It's kind of like a good all-in-one place where you can stay there and eat and shop, grocery shop, all in one. So if you were just going to be like a remote worker and not go out too much every day, it could be a good place to live because it's cheaper. It's probably 6 stops down. Probably takes a half hour to get here on the SkyTrain. But I wanted to go check it out. I've seen some videos on it. It looks pretty cool, but I want to see it with my own eyes. And you know, all the malls, I've walked in and out of the malls. All of them are pretty like high-end stuff. All huge fashion designer brands, so I don't know how places like that stay in business. How many Prada and Louis Vuitton purses are they selling today to be able to afford rent? I guess people are buying them though, because they're in like every single mall. And that's another thing too. I would think like, you know, one mall would be like the high-end fashion brands, but it seems like each of these malls is all filled with these fashion brands. It's crazy. And then I would like to go check out some museums. And I have other things on the agenda too, especially going down, like exploring the river at night. So I still got a lot to do. Some more exploring. I wanted to give you a little shot of this place. IKEA is a good place to drop in, have a quick little coffee and relax for a minute. So that's all I got for now. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.